Students, welcome to the VTU mobile application development lab session. In this session, I'm going to explain the development of an Android application for designing a calculator having basic functionality like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let us first create an application by the name Simple CalC. First go to File, then select New, then New Project. Here select Empty Activity, then click on Next. Here type the application name. I give this application name as Simple CalC. Then click on Finish. Now go to Code of Design and change the layout to relative layout. That is, go to Activity, Code of Activity main.xml. There you change this to relative layout. So click on Design now and fix this position. Set the constraint for this text view. And change it to Simple Calculator. Change the text size. Now click on Text. Then choose Plain Text. Fix the relative constraint. Select it and change the name here. For now, just change it to empty box. Type hint. Select this and type hint. So we will get hint option. Here, enter the first number. So that it will appear in this plain text box or component. Now we need to change the ID of this. Select that and type ID here. So there is edit text person name, or you can change it to edit text 1. For now, I will not change anything there. Just copy this and paste it one more time. Drag it down. No need to set the relative constraint for the second plain text component, because since we have copied, so the relative constraints are also copied with this. So now select this and again type text. So there is nothing in the text option. Now you can go for hint. So here it is enter the first number. So change this first number to second number. So next thing is one more text view component is required. So just select it and drag it on the screen and set the relative constraint. Bring it down. Select it. Type text. So here it is text view. Instead of this, I'll just give 0 and set the size, text size. I will set it to 34 dp and align it to center. And check the ID. It is text view. It is just text view. But check the ID of this. There is nothing for now. So its ID is text view. Okay. Now select buttons. For button also set the relative constraint. Place it on the screen. Click on this button. So change it. I'll give add. Just copy it and paste it. Here mention subtract. Next copy these two. And paste it. So change its text. This is for division. This is for multiplication. Resize these buttons. Now select this add button, then type on click here. And type do add. Then select this and here type do sub. Next click on this and type here do division, that is DIV. Next click on this and type do multiplication, that is MUL. So verify whether you have given proper function names here or operation name. Do add. Okay. Now we are finished with the design of front end. Let us move on to the back end design now. So click on main activity.java. So some piece of got it later on. So first come to this part. We need two variables for edit text. So one for this one for entering the first number, and to second one for entering the second number. So first for edit text, first variable will store the value that we enter at this position. Second variable will store the value that is entered at this position. Another one is text view. This is the text view. So this will display you the result. So we need another variable for this also. So let us declare those variables now. So these are the variables that we require for now. So next is here we need to initialize these variables. So let us write the code. E1 is equal to edit text find view by ID function is required by ID. Within this, we need to give r dot ID dot. So we need to enter the ID of this edit text. So select this and type ID here. You will get the idea of this edit text here. Just copy it and paste it here. Next, same line with different ID and variable name for second one. So for ID, click on this. Copy this ID. And replace. Here you need to mention the ID of text view. Select this. To get the ID of text view. Copy and paste it here. Now we need to define the functions do add, do subtract, do multiplication and division. This is to read the content from edit text 1 and edit text 2 and add those values. And this line is to display the result. So now edit this same piece of code for remaining 3 operations. So this is the backend Java code in order to make these simple calculator buttons work. So let us now run this application and check whether it is working properly or not. So here, our Android virtual device, and click on run button. This is the simple calculator application. So let us check whether it works properly or not. First digit I gave 6, second digit 3. So perform addition by clicking on add. It is giving proper result, and click on subtraction button. So it is giving proper result again. Division, it is correct, and for multiplication also it is correct. So this is all about the simple calculator application. Thank you all.